हो दोस्तों, हो फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो तुम लोग? सो टुडे आई एम हैप्पी, टुमारो आई एम सैड. Tomorrow I was sad. So tomorrow I was sad because my friend has gone to my home. But today I am happy because my friend, my another friend, best friend, Abhishek Pandey. You know Abhishek Pandey. My previous video, you can recall him. Abhishek Pandey is my basically roommate, and he basically lives in Odisha. So he oh my god, damn English, bro. If I was in Hindi, I frequently said it, but my challenge is to say it English. Made an English blog, so my mind was fucked, bro. So my friend Abhishek Pandey, he wants to meet me, and he wants to go Bhopal to admission BTech college. Basically, BTech college in Bhopal very cheap and easy to achieve a degree, achieve a qualification. So he was and basically this college don't need attendance if you are in job. And whenever you do, but my friend is in a job. My friend currently doing a job, and he have no time to attend the college. So he basically go to the college and admission, and then whenever examination is come, he was attend the exam and not attending classes. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm. My mind, bro. I'm so excited because I don't meet him since 3 months. So he telling me to get ready and go together and go together to Bhopal and घूमना को क्या बोलेंगे उसमें, and tourist some place, नहीं tourist, and what and bro, what and yeah. He basically wants to go with me and stay sometimes with him and visit some places like Ujjain Mandir and another places, but I don't want to go because I don't want to go. He wants to he requests me ki go with me, but I neglected him, but in inner way I want to go. If he call me another chance to let me go, then I will agree with him. He basically don't want to go alone. You know what? So he requested me to come with him and visit some mandir and places. And he also wants to go college to get documents of diploma, because we are diploma students, and I completed diploma, and I I take all the documents in college, and I have no relation with my college. Okay, but he don't collected documents of college, so he wants to go college and collect his documents. So. Uh, so 2 days ago he calling me and he calling me that I am coming, and you are going with me, and no excuses, no complain, you are going with me. And I said, I don't know, bro, I don't know, I don't want to go, bro. Because if I am going, I go with him, I can't shoot the video properly, because all the way I'm going on vacation, all the way I'm going in real life, in real life बोलते हैं, in outside what outside, bro, in uh, if I am going with him, if I shoot a video, basically I challenge myself that I shoot my video proper English. So if I go with him, I shoot video, then I want to talk in English. And if I am with friend, if I am with best friend, I can't speak English, bro. I can't speak English. I genuinely speaking my mother tongue, and I've used this in and basically Gawar language. So that's my problem. I want to improve myself. If I go into Ujjain, basically Ujjain is a much popular and most populated place. Basically foreigner comes to visit Ujjain, Mandir, Bhopal, and some other places. So if I want to talk to him, and in another chance he some asked me a question to regarding something, so I can't answer him. So understand what I'm saying? If a very beautiful girl, if a very beautiful woman wants to talk to me, and I have no answer to talk to her, it's that's thing I am thinking this state, and I'm embarrassed myself. I don't know how to express my feeling, but I am little confused, and I'm little um, nervous, bro, nervous. I'm very nervous in inner way. Or if I am going outside, and my look, bro, rate my look, bro. I am very bad looking. If my if my before look, if my before job, when my hair was long and set my hairs anyway, that's why pretty good in me. But this bro, this I am such a idiot, man. Look like such shit, bro. I don't have jawline. I don't have good facial structure. But I would say and I don't have a good facial skin. It is a tan skin and not a good personality. But in the other way, my friend Abhishek, he's good, charming, dashing, and yeah, he's in job too. He has money, but I don't have enough money to visit some place to tour some place. You know, I just want to say now I am poor. Okay, now I am not good looking. But in future, but in few days, but in few months, I become my upgraded self. I meet my upgraded myself. I want to upgrade myself. Now I am whatever I am, but in future don't want to be want to be myself in now. What I'm saying, bro. What I'm saying. Just understand, bro. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know you are understanding or not, but give me few days. I will re talk to you and I will remember you what I'm saying. It's very hard to me, bro, to explain myself, to explain my journey to you. It's very tough, bro. It's very tough for me. Okay, I don't know you are suffering from this or not, but I am suffering from. I am suffering from this. So that's it. I'm waiting for my friend. Then when he come to when he come to my room, then I will shoot another video and make sure I will caught him. So bye bye.